another day with wonderful sparkling weather. I just love it when the sun is out and I can feel its warm, comforting glow. Wait, is that? Oh my, is that my dearest Ghosty? Whatever could she be doing here? Well, I suppose it's my duty to find out. Hello, my dearest Ghosty.
Oh, it's just you.
Had fate called us both upon here? What could you be doing in this park?
Observing birds. I am observing a family of birds nearby.
I never took you as the peaceful type. What's the occasion?
Life and death. They're both important to me. I can usually only speak to the past, even the simpler beings of life. I wish to preserve the living for as long as I can. When I am able to appreciate them, it allows me to feel peace and ease.
Whoa! You know, speaking about birds, I've been thinking. We're kind of like two distant birds, born for one another.
What?
Imagine two birds leaving their own nests, wishing to find their own place in the world. And by fate, despite their very different origins, they have found each other, realizing they're made for each other. Ghosty?
Cease.
Are you doing okay, Ghosty?
Cease this very instant.
Oh, I'll just leave you be then.